delivery KLM 147 with information request clearance.
KLM 147 is correct. ATC clearance to destination airport via DIK-1 Echo. Have to take off, climb and maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 60. Transponder is 6356QNH0.
Clear to destination airport via DIK-1 Echo. Initial altitude is 5,000. Expecting flight level 60. Transponder 6356.
KLM 147, readback correct.
Call me again for startup and pushback. Roger, KLM 147.
Lufthansa 5318, contact tower 1205, goodbye.
Lufthansa 5318, tower 1205, servus. Lufthansa 881, please stand by for push.
881, just about to call you, push approved, facing to the north on the blue line.
Push approved, face north blue line, 881.
D452, just to confirm, push approved south orange.
Yeah, push approved orange, already pushing 3452.
From the 3902, contact tower 1205, goodbye.
Tower 120.5, service Lufthansa 3972.
Winch Airplane Grüß Gott, Lufthansa 5318, position 195, taxi please.
Lufthansa 5318, taxi entry Sierra 5.
Lufthansa 5318, taxi entry Sierra 5.
Clearance delivery KLM 147. Request startup and pushback.
KLM 147, startup is approved. Contact ground on 121.97.
Startup and push approved. Ground control on 121.97. KLM 147.
From the 3902, contact tower 1205, goodbye.
Tower 120.5, service Lufthansa 3972.
We're all set to go up here. We've been cleared to push and start at your discretion.
Roger that, ready for push. Power and air clear, doors closed, we are ready for pushback. Please park and brake, please.
Winch Airplane Grüß Gott, Lufthansa 5318, position 195, taxi please.
Lufthansa 5318, taxi entry Sierra 5.
Lufthansa 5318, taxi entry Sierra 5.
Brakes off, here we go.
Sabina 483, good day, continue via Charlie 4, stand 120.
Stand 120, continue via Charlie 4, Sabina 483.
From the 3006, contact tower 187, goodbye.
Tower 187, goodbye, Lufthansa 3006.
Push is complete, set park and brake, please.
Alright, brakes are set and pressure's normal.
Okay, sir, tow bar is off, pin is out, watch for the pin on the right.
Alright, Alright guys, thanks. You're cleared to disconnect. We will be watching for the pin and the release from guidance on the right side of the airplane, and we'll see you guys next time through.
Ground control, KLM 147, request taxi. KLM 147 via Alpha Charlie Bravo. Hold short of runway 03. When on position, contact tower on 120.90. To holding position, runway 03 via Alpha Charlie Bravo. Tower on 120.90. KLM 147.
Lieutenant, please prepare for gate departure.
Lufthansa 3452 is ready to taxi. Lufthansa 3452, I call you for taxi as soon as the company is moving front. Yep.
Lufthansa 3826, request 3628, request taxi.
Lufthansa 3628, taxi friendly Sierra 5.
Sierra 5, Lufthansa 3826.
Lufthansa 5318, contact tower 1205, goodbye.
Lufthansa 5318, tower 1205, Servus.
Lufthansa 3628, push is approved, facing south on the blue line.
Push approved, facing south, blue line, Lufthansa 3628.
Lufthansa 42908, push is approved, facing south on the orange line.
Pushback approved, face south, orange line, 4298.
Approaching 03. Approaching 03.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please. Tower KLM 147 on holding position. Runway 03, request takeoff. KLM 147, line up runway 03. Lining up runway 03, KLM 147.
Approaching 03. On runway 03.
KLM 147, wind 360 at 0. Fly runway heading, climb to 5000. When airborne contact departure on 127.5. Runway 03 cleared for takeoff, good flight. Runway heading to 5000, departure on 127.5. Cleared for takeoff, 03 KLM 147. 80 knots. V1. positive climb, gear up. Departure control, KLM 147, with you passing 2000 for 5000.
KLM 147, cleared via Delta, India, Kilo 1 Echo, turn to heading 030, climb to 5000.
Cleared via DIK 1 Echo, departure route heading 030, climbing 5000, KLM 147.
KLM 147, cleared to Foxtrot Hotel 061, left, turn to heading 300.
Cleared direct to SH061, intersection, left turn heading 300, KLM 147.
Altitude, Captain.
KLM 147, cleared to Alpha Bravo Delta Alpha Papa, left, turn to heading 210.
Cleared direct to ABCAP intersection, left turn heading 210, KLM 147.
KLM 147, cleared to Romeo Uniform Delta Oscar Tango, turn to heading 270.
Cleared direct to RUDOT intersection, right turn heading 270, KLM 147.
Here's the final for the approach to runway 02 via BAT Tango 3 Alpha ILS 02. Approach will maintain altitude.
Cleared Alice approach via BAT Tango 3 Alpha variable route, maintain present altitude, KLM 147.
944 arrival, good evening, Alice 25 right, information Yankee. 25 right, Mark 44. Passing 4,000, 684. Thank you. Reverse 76 Echo Fox for the right heading 200.
Right heading 200, 76 Echo Fox.
Confirm you are turning on?
Affirm, 237.
Touchdown, shortly number 1. Continue approach and contact tower 120.77. Good evening.
120.77, 76 Echo Fox, bye.
Clearing 4,000, please.
Roger, 684.
It's 1237, turn right, heading 160 for base.
160 base, left middle, 237.
Turn right, heading 220, intercept 25 right.
Roger, head 220, clear to intercept 255, 7944.
Level of initially 4,000 feet and turn right heading 100.
Right heading 100 and Illinois, level of at 4,000 feet, 79618.
Plaza established 25 right, 237.
Square 7 miles out, 25 right, cleared for approach, contact tower 120.77, goodbye.
120.77, bye now.
Turn right, heading 160 for base.
160 base, left middle, 237.
Minute 9044, turn right, heading 220, intercept 25 right.
Roger, head 220, clear to intercept 255, 7944.
KLM 147, cleared to Hotel Uniform Lima, turn left to heading 250.
Cleared direct to Hotel Uniform Lima, BOR. Left turn heading 250, KLM 147.
Level of initially 4,000 feet and turn right heading 100.
Right heading 100 and Illinois, level of at 4,000 feet, 79618.
RAAS established 25 right, 237. 7 miles out, 25 right, jet fast approach, contact tower 120.77, goodbye.
120.77, bye now.
May you have traffic Lufthansa at your 12 o'clock?
Yes, we have it, sir. No problem. Just in front.
Now 9440, descend 2000 feet on 1018.
Down to 2000 feet, 1018, Sabina 944.
You are Saitek cross the local island.
290.
Turn right, 160 base leg.
Right on the 160, base leg, Sabina 684.
Descend 2000 feet, finish 1018.
Descend 2000 feet, 1018, 76 Echo Fox.
In 877, 5 miles behind preceding on the 25 left, reduce speed 170 until outer marker, contact tower 118.6.
Reducing 186.877.
Right, 76 Echo Fox for the right, 220, clear ILS 25 right.
Heading 220, clear for ILS 25 right, 76 Echo Fox. KLM 147. Clear to IBX 58, turn right to heading 290.
Clear direct to IDX 58, VOR, right turn heading 290, KLM 147.
KLM 147, cleared to intercept the localizer runway 02, ILS is available on 109.9, report to tower at the marker.
Intercepting localizer runway 02, tower at the marker, 118.6, KLM 147.
Iberia 4210, clear 2000 feet, clear ILS 25 left.
2000 clear for ILS 25 left, Iberia 4210.
KLM 147, descend 2000.
QNH
0.
Descending to 2000.
Clear 76 Echo Fox, turn right, heading 130.
Right, heading 130, 76 Echo Fox.
descend 2,000 feet 1018.
2018 in 877.
Sayın yolcularımız, iyi fikir kemerlerinizin bağlı, koltuklarınızın dik ve masalarınızın kapalı durumda olduğunu kontrol ediniz. Teşekkür ederiz.
KLM 147, cleared to intercept runway 02, contact tower on 118.6.
Intercepting runway 02 heading 015, 118.6, KLM 147.
Whiskey Tango, report left and base like runway 29er.
At 29er, use the left and base, Whiskey Tango.
Tower KLM 147, Tower KLM 147, landing.
KLM 147, cleared to land at runway 02, slowed 160, QNH0.
Clear to land runway 02, reducing to final approach speed.
Descend to 2,000 feet. Oscar Kilo Echo, you can air taxi to the helicopter platform number 1 and also over there. Oscar Romeo Whiskey Bravo, good morning.
Approaching 02.
Whiskey Tango, final.
Roger, clear to land 190 degrees 7 up.
Clear to land, Oscar Whiskey Tango.
400. 300.
Papa Bravo uniform is clear to land 190 degrees and 10 knots. Papa Bravo uniform clear.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Long landing. Long landing.
Roger, Oscar, Lima, X-ray, Victor, Oscar for departure.
200 meters. Remain 900 meters. Remaining. 600 meters. Remaining.
KLM 147, contact ground on 118.05.
118.05, KLM 147.
Ground, this is Euromax 72 Bravo Sierra, clear the 737 and requesting taxi.
Max 72 Bravo Sierra, taxi 25 right, inner Bravo 1, QNH 1021.
Right.
Taxi 25 right, by inner Bravo 1 and 1021, 72 Bravo Sierra.
On runway 25 right.
good morning from the Shamrock 630, crossing 02.
Shamrock 630, good morning sir. Continue straight ahead, your stand is 353.
Roger, straight ahead 353.
Ground control, KLM 147. Request taxi. KLM 147 via Bravo 1, 120 via Bravo 1 to gate 120 KLM 147.
Seven 761, cross runway 02.
Cross 02, 761. Challenger Bravo Whiskey Bravo, got a slight delay, we're checking on a problem. We'll give you a call back for taxi.
Victor Whiskey Bravo, roger.
Bay 259 for taxi.
259 north, actually 125 right, outer Bravo 1, QNH 1021.
If I right, outer Bravo 1, 1021, scan the 259
Ground Alpha Lima Fox 1621 is on the military side, ready for taxi.
Alpha Lima Fox 1621, taxi November Alpha 1, holding point runway 25 right, QNH 1021.
November Alpha 1, 25 right, 1021, 1621.
Alpha Lima Fox 1621, when ready, contact tower on 18.6 line.
Tower 186, bye-bye, 1621.
Amongst 72 Bravo Sierra, scan 100, so back up for information. 737 is pushing in the gate 99.
Back crew, 72 Bravo Sierra.